Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use BlueStacks 5 as a complete beginner. We'll cover the interface, installing apps, changing settings, and optimizing performance. Let's get started. First, launch BlueStacks by double-clicking the shortcut on your desktop. After a few seconds, you'll see the BlueStacks home screen. This interface works similarly to an Android tablet, allowing you to download and run Android apps directly on your computer. To download apps, you'll need to sign in to the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store icon and click Sign In. Enter your Google account email address and password. Once you're signed in, you'll have access to millions of Android apps and games, just like on a smartphone. If you already have apps associated with your Google account, you may even see some personalized recommendations. Now sign in with your Google account. Now let's install an app. For this example, I'll search for Subway Surfers. Click Install and wait for the download to finish. Once installed, click Open to launch the application. The same process works for games such as Dream League, Free Fire, or any other Android game available on the Play Store. Installed apps will also appear on your BlueStacks home screen for easy access. Click Play to launch the application. BlueStacks includes several useful controls, On the right side of the screen, you'll find options such as full screen mode, screenshot tool, volume controls, and keyboard mapping. You can also press F11 to switch between windowed mode and full screen mode. Let's look at some settings that can improve performance. Open the Performance section. Here, you can adjust CPU allocation and memory allocation. If your PC has enough resources available, increasing these values can make apps and games run more smoothly. You can also adjust frame rate settings for a better gaming experience. One of BlueStacks' most powerful features is the Multi-Instance Manager. Click the Multi-Instance icon on the side toolbar. This allows you to create additional Android instances and run multiple apps or accounts simultaneously. For example, you can run 2 different games at the same time, or use multiple accounts within the same app. BlueStacks also offers several other helpful tools. You can take screenshots, record your screen, share files between Windows and Android, and customize display settings. Exploring these features can help you get the most out of the emulator and improve your overall experience. And that's how to use BlueStacks 5 as a beginner. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like and subscribe to Techinstall for more software installation and setup guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.